Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my video for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see finally 2400 is working as support. Market closed at a very critical level of 2400 and we were confused whether market would break 2400 or market would take support and start going up from here. And now we can see the market is giving its best fight, tough fight to retain the support of 2400. We were confused because on Friday, market showed heavy selling pressure, and if we look at the overall trend was completely different. So we have a sharp contradiction on the overall trend and the present trend. So we were a little skeptical. Anyways, my dear friends, if you are looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So let's look at the market sentiment first. Gold rises after a sharp fall. You can see gold rose towards 2410 per ounce on Monday, driven by technical rebound following a nearly 2% drop in the previous session and supported by a softer dollar. Gold rises in likely technical recovery. So market is saying that whatever we are seeing right now, okay, is not because of any fundamental reason. It's just a normal technical recovery because there's little softness on dollar, and because of, you can see dollar eases as Biden drops out of 2024 race. So this is the reason why dollar is showing some softness. But if we look at the chart of dollar here, this is DXY, we can see that after two red candles, dollar index is ready to go up again. So it is not very soft also. Okay, getting my point. So if DXY starts recovering, okay, then obviously we will see pressure on the chart of gold again. It means that if dollar index or DXY forms a big red candle and dollar index breaks 104.60, okay, then dollar index will be going up. If that happens, we will see pressure on the chart of gold. Means gold will be going below 2400. So things are still critical. So dollar's move is going to be important. Overall, the dollar index was in downtrend, but at this moment we can see the dollar index is trying its best to go for a recovery. Time will tell, okay, whether the recovery DXY is trying will be a successful recovery or not, or if it fails. So my dear friends, keep your eye on 104.60, 104.50. This level on DXY is going to be important. Okay, now let's talk about gold then. Okay, so on the chart of gold, on Saturday we discussed that if gold falls, then the next big support on the chart of gold is around 2378, 2375, and the support is still very much valid. Okay, so as a day trader, as a swing trader, we can definitely go for buy position. And as we have already discussed, that positional traders who have taken buy around 2400, you can hold your position because overall the chart is bullish. So we can expect that after this big correction, gold will be going up again. So positional traders, you can hold your buy positions. Okay. And if you're a day trader, okay, if you're a day trader, if you have taken buy above 2400 and market starts falling, okay, you need to exit below 2400. Okay, because we have seen that market is showing recovery because of softer dollar, and if dollar starts going up again, there will be pressure on gold. So if you are on a buy as a day trader, you can exit once market breaks 2400. And as a day trader, okay, as a day trader, the trading opportunities that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. Means buy at 2378, 2375 area, and we can also look for a sell below 2391. If selling pressure on gold continues, if we see that market is under the dominance of sellers again by the US session, we can definitely hit the sell button below 2391, below this low here. Okay, and as you can see right now, that market has uh, I won't say reverse completely, but from a day trader's perspective, okay, we had a selling opportunity around this area. So the next selling opportunity on the chart of gold will come around 2424, 2425. and then 2434, 2435. These are the two levels where we can look for a quick selling opportunity of 40-50 pips before the US session. Why before the US session? Because US session brings volume. US session brings volatility. So if market forms a big green candle, then obviously our these levels will not work because these are not major levels. Okay, these are minor levels where we can expect to make some quick 30-40 pips as a day trader. These levels are not for swing or positional traders. Okay, so you can clearly see, my dear friends, we have used Fibonacci here. Okay, we have Fibo 38.2 percent retracement level. Along with that, previous support will be working as resistance around 2424 area, and 2434 we are considering because of Fibo 50% retracement level. That's why only before the US session if market goes up, because when the market will be volatile, these levels will not work. And in the morning, if you have already taken a buy, again I'm repeating, you can be on the buy right now because market is trying its best to hold the level of 2400. But if due to recovery on DXY, if market breaks 2400, please exit. Okay, and day traders, you can look for a sell position below 2391. Okay, 2391 and 2378, 2375 support is still very much valid. So my dear friends, the confusion on the chart of gold is still there because the overall trend is different and the present trend is different. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. And I would like to mention one thing here, my dear friends, that most probably many of you do not know about the Financial Commission. It's a third-party organization that takes care of the disputes of the traders. You guys must be knowing that Forex is a decentralized market, because of which there is a big problem that in case of any problem of the traders, there is no one to take care of us. For example, if the broker runs away, if the broker doesn't listen to your problems, then you cannot do anything because these brokers are located in um, various other countries. But Financial Commission is an organization that takes care of all the problems. You can see more than 10,000 complaints have been processed and they have paid a huge amount till date to the clients and completely free for traders. But only 40 reputed brokers are members of the Financial Commission. Means if any dispute arises, you can claim up to 20,000 euros. Okay, from the Financial Commission, and they will give justice to you. Okay, if the broker is trying to cheat you. And as I said, only 40 brokers are members of the Financial Commission. Okay, and the reason why I'm talking about Financial Commission is that, okay, they also have a warning list. Okay, that I'll paste in paste the link in the description. Okay, so they have a warning list. You can see that a long list of brokers, okay, mentioned. So if you are using any broker from this list, then please try to switch to a broker that is reliable and regulated. You can see they have a long list. So my dear friends, if your broker is not very reputed, okay, if your broker is a local broker, then please have a look. If Financial Commission says that the broker um, is not very trusty and it is under the warning list, then obviously it's high time to switch your account. Okay, so please do that. And if you're not sure where to go, okay, or how to look for a broker, you can go to my website. Okay, you'll find how to choose the right Forex broker. If you want options, you can select any of the region, you will find proper option. Okay, all the brokers are registered in the Financial Commission. Okay, anyways, please check whether your broker is in warning list or not. If it is there, be careful.